Here we have the Cool Fun Skateboard. Come to get a... Oh, I nearly put my foot off the back of it. Woo! Right, I could fall now trying to catch them, so let's be careful. Let's be careful. Right, let's go. Cool Fun. Enjoy more torque, higher speeds and faster acceleration with a single hub 400 watt motor. Made from 9-ply maples, the board is flexible enough to bend while carving, strong enough to hold up to 280 pounds. Oh, that light's annoying. Max range of 14 to 16 kilometres. Oh, why does it have to say Cool Fun? It didn't say Cool Fun on the Amazon page. That sounds terrible, Cool Fun.
Panther on it, you could just paint over Cool Fun.
Yeah, true. Let's get it out. That panther's cool.
Which panther?
In the skateboard. But the words Cool Fun are not cool.
Kind of looks like Black Panther.
Yeah. Oh, the wheels spin. These wrong, aren't they? Okay, the motor. That one does. One wheel drive. What we got in here? We've got a bag with the controller, charger, well, charge lead, charger, plug to charge the controller, the tool, user manual. Here we have the Cool Fun Skateboard, which I'm going to turn on. This is not turned on yet. Press the button down here. No, it's at the back. There it is. I'm scratching up the controller on the things. I can't grip it. Oh, nice. Right, so I have not ridden a skateboard for a long time. Okay. Let's put this in low power mode. Right, it's in low power mode. Do you want it? I mean, I used to ride skateboards. Whoa. Right. Let's try again. Right, low power mode. Bumps. The wheels are a lot smoother than I thought they'd be. This is alright actually. Oh, don't get overconfident. You know what happened on the UUC. Right, stop. Let's try the brakes. Okay, they work. The good thing about the brakes, if you can see it, because it's only one wheel drive, it just pulls that one wheel there. You can see that. But you can pull the brakes when you're getting on it. So it's kind of still for you. And then let's go up to power mode. Let's go up to second. So when you go forward, you want to be leaning forward, I've heard. I probably should tighten the trucks. Now I can't remember the speeds of this, but because I'm heavy, everything's always slow. So I think I'm gonna get the camera now. It'd be nice to get a bit of balance. Now, riding an EUC probably helps with balance somewhat, but you can definitely ride it like a normal skateboard. Whoa. Right, the brakes are a bit crap, but they'll still slow you down, so that's good. I'm going to take you with me now. I reckon it might help. So let's go. So we're on power mode 2. Power mode 3 and 4 are the same. It's just that 4 is better at accelerating. Can I go around here? Yeah, just about. Struggling with the hill. Come on. Oh, come on. Why do... Let's try the normal road. Let's kind of help a little bit. Let's go power mode. Right, I'm in power mode 3 now. Can you get me up the hill? Get me up the hill! I need to get that kind of muscle memory thing where I'm just gonna look that way. Used to it. I can't be going very fast. This has got to be like, I don't know, 7 miles an hour or something. I am going up a hill. Let's turn around. Don't think I'm right. There we go. Let's. This was basically the cheapest one that can take my weight as an adult. So, whoa, I'm gonna watch. I don't always have to accelerate. Remember that. Oh. Yeah, I think I should have tightened those trucks up a bit. This is kind of cool though. Especially the first time I've been on a skateboard for ages. Let's check no one's. Let's put that brake. Okay, I was going to check no one's coming, but then I kind of didn't. No one's coming. I mean, I don't really feel super confident going faster than this at the moment. I mean, I'm rolling around here. That's rolling. 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 Let's get some speed up. Rolling down the river. Rolling. Come on. Oh, it's hurting my foot. Let's go in full power. I wonder how much the EUC really helps, because I don't feel too bad, unless it's one of them things where to be a novice is not as hard as it looks, but obviously to be really, really good still takes a load of skill. So, oh, there's a car. I'll wait for that. I wonder what it... I don't want to risk going up a curb just yet. That's a friend. I shall go and see how they are. Come to get a... Oh, I nearly put my foot off the back of my head. Woo! Right, I could fall now trying to catch them, so let's be careful. Let's be careful. Ugh. Ugh. Whew. Careful, 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 careful. 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 Don't get overconfident. What are these bumps like? Can I go down here? Ooh. Ah! Turning circle is not EUC like. Oh. It is cool. I mean, whoa. I'm not ready for going long distances on it yet, but oh god, I can't go around corners properly. It's all about, I feel like it's all going to be about the weight shifting. Oh, car coming. Woo! Brake. I've got to get around the block, you know. So, no, I can't just go up and down. So let's go. Let's go. And here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Down here, onto the road. No one's coming. Whoa. Right, okay, so it's struggling up the hill. I'm on full power. I suppose I could give it a bit of help. In a sec. Thing is though, it's not worth doing that with the power on, because as soon as I step off it, it starts going fast. So if I loose the power and do that, it doesn't make much difference. So, yeah, I'm just going to go around here, round the corner and back again. But going up the hill, it's not doing too bad. It's doing about as well as a scooter. It's 400 watts, which is more than your standard commuter scooter. I mean, obviously you can get different quality motors and everything, but it doesn't seem too bad. Oh, there's that house. They built a house. Literally just built a house on their land. Oh, it's nice and smooth here. Right, bit of flat land, a lot of wind though, which is understandable since I did buy a drone, and ever since I bought the drone it's just been windy constantly. Right, bit of a curb here. Curb, let's just put the brakes on. Yeah, that'll do. Oh, let's go on the road. Down the curb. Whoa! That actually wasn't as bad as I made it sound. So this is nice. This is going down here. Oh, is there a car coming? There's not a car coming. No, there isn't. Right, let's carry on. Carry on. Right, well, I'm going to finish the test there. That'll be it. Whoa, bit of wind. The power is, it kind of kicks in, but you can put a bit of power in. I don't want to go mad down here because, you know, downhill. Putting the brakes on. Oh, let's go up this. Oh, no. Oh dear. It's good that you can just run off it though, and it stays on its wheels, not like the unicycle. It'd be going crazy right now. Whoa, whoa. And that'll do. Bit of speed up there. Right, ride safe everyone. Whoa, not like me. That was the Geekme electric skateboard, but it appears to be exactly the same as the Hovermax electric skateboard, and no doubt many other Chinese brands. And they all say Cool and Fun. I was hoping it wouldn't say Cool and Fun, because, you know, if something says cool, it's probably not. But actually, you know what, it is. So at some point, I think I'll get used to it, take it out a bit further and see how it does. But first impressions are that it's had a cool thing and it can take my weight. So that's it. You've been watching the e-VRC, and that's me falling off. If you want to see more electric skateboard, electric unicycle, electric bike, electric scooter, don't forget to subscribe, ding the bell so you don't miss a video. Ride safe.